Welcome back to Pocket Power, where today we will talk about the basics of a credit score. Did you know that there's a number that can make or break your financial life? It's called your credit score. It may sound boring, but trust me, it's super important. Today, we will break down the basics of a credit score in India and show you how to read your credit report like a pro. So, let's dive in. Credit score is a 3-digit number that ranges from 300 to 900. And guess what? The closer your score is to 900, the better your credit health is. In simple terms, it tells lenders how trustworthy you are when it comes to borrowing money. Think of it like your school report card. The higher the score, the more gold stars you get from banks and credit card companies. Okay? So why should you care about your credit score? A good score can help you get a loan or credit card faster and even at a lower interest rate. It's like having VIP access to the financial world. On the flip side, a low score could mean higher interest rates or even rejection. And here's the deal. Your credit score isn't just about getting loans. It can affect your ability to rent an apartment, get a new mobile phone plan, and even some jobs. So what goes into calculating your credit score? Let's break it down into 5 simple factors. Payment history, 35%. This is the big one. Have you been paying your bills on time? If you missed payments, your score takes a hit. Credit utilization, 30%. How much credit are you using out of the total available? Keeping it under 30% is key. For example, if you have a 1 lakh rupee limit, try not to use more than 30,000. Length of credit history, 15%. The longer you've had credit, the better. So don't close that old credit card just yet. Types of credit, 10%. Having a mix of credit, like a personal loan, a car loan, and a credit card, can actually help your score. Recent inquiries, 10%. Every time you apply for new credit, it impacts your score. So apply wisely. So, how do you check your credit score? Easy peasy. You can check it for free once a year from credit bureaus like CIBIL, Experian, or Crib Highmark. It's like checking your marks after an exam. Only here, you actually want to see a high number. Now let's get into reading your credit report. It might look like a jungle of numbers at first, but it's not too hard once you know what to look for. Personal information. This section is straightforward. Your name, address, PAN, etc. Make sure all details are correct. Account information. This is the meat of the report. It shows all your loans and credit cards, your credit limit, and your payment history. If you missed any payments, you'll see it here. Credit inquiries. It shows who's checked your credit score recently. A lot of inquiries in a short time, that's a red flag. Credit score, and finally, your score. It'll be displayed front and center. Always check your report for mistakes. Even a tiny error can bring down your score, so keep an eye on it. Now, what if you don't have a credit score yet? Don't worry, we all start somewhere. Here's what you can do. Get a credit card. A great way to start building a credit score is to get a credit card. If you're new to credit, try starting with a secured credit card, which is backed by a fixed deposit. Take a small personal loan. If you're eligible, taking a small personal loan and repaying it on time can help establish your credit history. Pay EMIs on time. If you've taken out a student loan or any other kind of installment-based loan, always pay your EMIs on time to start building a strong credit score. The key is to start small and be consistent. Over time, you'll build a solid credit score that will unlock financial opportunities. So, there you have it. Understanding your credit score and report doesn't have to be intimidating. The more you know, the better control you'll have over your financial future. Check your credit score today. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy financial tips. Until next time, keep those scores high and those worries low. See you in the next video.